Good day, everyone. Learn how to disable RCS messaging. It is very annoying that it pops up every time you get a lot of RCS messages and you do not know how to disable it. I'm going to share how you can do that. So look for the settings option in your phone. So I have on my screen right now. I will open it, and here under search settings, I'll click on that, and we need to type RCS. The moment you do that, you will get a list of these options. RCS chat, turn on RCS chats. So here we are not going to turn on, but we will click on turn on RCS chats or RCS chat setting. The moment you click on that, you will find a window like this, and from here, if it's turned on, you can turn it off. Currently you can see it is already turned off in my computer, in my phone. So you can also try that. Turn it off and you will not be receiving any kind of RCS messages. Alright, so RCS chats will be disabled, and if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll be glad if you do so. Do share with your loved ones and family friends, and please hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Take care.